This video can be used for any sector including information technology, cybersecurity, healthcare, and other sectors outside of the construction fields. But for the purpose of this video, we will be using advanced manufacturing as the process for registered apprentices. The process to start a New York State registered apprenticeship starts with the employer. The employer, individually or with the help of other organizations involved in an apprenticeship, contacts the New York State Department of Labor. It is best if the employer has a trade in mind or an occupation that is apprenticeable. The employer will complete paperwork with the New York State Department of Labor, including choosing the related instruction providers. Related instruction provides the education portion of the apprenticeship. After communicating and submitting all paperwork with the New York State Department of Labor, the employer gets approved as a sponsor of the trade. The employer should connect with their local SUNY college to see what courses are available for related instruction. The participating college will ask the employer for additional apprentice information in order to apply for SUNY Apprenticeship Program funds. For abbreviation, we are using SAP. In addition to the information required for the application, the participating SUNY college will request two one-page forms from the employer: the Employer Apprenticeship Agreement and Information Release Form. Only one Employer Apprenticeship Agreement form is required per company, and the Information Release Form is required by each and every apprentice. Once the employer has submitted both forms back to the participating SUNY college, you may move on to the next step. Now, an application for funds can be submitted to the SAP team. Please include the forms provided by the employer in the application. The SAP team will review the application, and once approved, an agreement and letter of approval will be provided. The awarded college must send the signed agreement back to the SAP team. Keep in mind that the agreement number is only specific to the approved application. Once signed, the awarded college shall send the agreement back to the SAP team and may continue the process with the employer. The application process is now complete and we can make our way to step 4. The awarded college, with the approval of the employer, registers the apprentices in credit or non-credit related instruction courses. Once the apprentice is started or is close to starting the training, the awarded college submits the apprentice intake form to the SAP team. Please keep in mind that only one apprentice intake form needs to be submitted for each apprentice. If an intake form has already been submitted for the apprentice, this step is not necessary. Once the training is complete, the awarded SUNY college submits the invoice form and apprentice training details form to the SAP team, including all backup documentation. Also keep in mind that an apprentice training details form needs to be submitted for each individual class for each apprentice. The SAP team will review all documents and provide payment to the awarded college.